Hey ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Devon Brown here. Today, I want to tell you about something that happened with myself and a JV partner of mine. JV means joint venture. We were partnering up on something, right? I want to tell you something that happened between a joint venture partner of mine and myself. And there's a great business lesson involved here, right? And it's a fun and it's a simple one, and it's a good just little thing to keep in mind. So what happened was this JV partner wanted me to promote his webinar. He says, Devon, I've got this webinar. I think your people will love it. It's been doing pretty good, right? Let's set it up, yada, 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 and then you can promote it. And I was like, all right, cool, high five, let's do it. And so without going into too much detail, the way that we had to do it was a little kind of, it was detailed, right? There were a lot of moving parts to it. It wasn't just a simple promote my thing, because we were actually trying to accomplish something much bigger in what we were doing. So there was a lot of work that both of us put into it. So we finally, after quite a few weeks, got everything set up, right? And I went to promote it, and it bombed. It bombed, right? My traffic didn't like his offer. They didn't like the way it was presented, or whatever. I don't know the answer, right? It could have bombed for a million different reasons. But this JV partner of mine was extremely apologetic. Devon, I'm so sorry. I don't know why. And we put in all this work, and I can't believe it bombed, and it didn't do it, and we didn't, make 2 sales, and yada. And I was like, it's all right. I'm sorry my traffic didn't convert, but overall, I just want to tell you that it's all right. What do you mean? Most JVs would be pissed. I've been doing this long enough to know what I'm about to tell you. And that's this. Your job is to do the action and set the intention. Or backwards. To set the intention and do the action, whatever, right? Your job, my job, is to set the intention and do the action. We can't always control the outcome. Another way of saying this is to say that your job and my job is to swing the bat with the intention of hitting the ball. But guess what? We're not always going to hit it. And when we don't hit it, that's okay. Striking out is part of the game. It just is. The greatest marketers in the world and the greatest salespeople in the world strike out at times. What I would have been upset about is had this JV partner and I not put forth our best effort. Had we not actually tried, had we not actually swung the bat with all of our might the best way we knew how. But we did that. We struck out. And that's okay. You can't be upset with that. Because sometimes you swing the bat and you strike out. Sometimes you make contact, but the outfielder catches it. Sometimes you make contact and it's a ground ball and they throw it to first and you're out. Sometimes you hit a single. Sometimes you hit a double. Sometimes you hit a triple. Sometimes you hit a home run. And sometimes you hit a damn grand slam. They're all possible. Your job is to set the intention and do the action. And understand that you can't necessarily control the outcome. But while you're setting the intention and doing the action, be aware that there may be a bigger lesson in there for you. Okay? I hope that makes sense. Okay? Don't be mad when you strike out. You get another turn at bat. Every day you get another turn at bat. All right? That's all I've got. Hope you found this video helpful. Like it, share it, comment on it, and all the rest of that good stuff. Snap. Oh, I messed up on my snap. Snap. There you go. Finger. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.